Conquer the Sun.
Sumagot sa palo eh, Jim.
Sumagot
siya sa palo.
Talagang mabagal.
Papalo si Edmond Abisamis dyan. No?
Veteran. Jockey versus apprentice rider. Ano sa tingin nyo, bayang karilista? 2 o 3? 3 o 2? Ito na ang finish line. Hand riding na lang ginagawa nila pareho. Tingnan mo yung difference ng riding style nila. Mataas yung apprentice, nakakalis, nakatayo, samantalang si Dunoy. Mukhang... Oops! Dikit na dikit. Balikan natin yung XD. Mamaya na natin... Oh, ito na pala eh. Tingnan na lang natin yan, ha, para nakuha na ninyong lahat ng inyong mga details ng ating mga estimates for the first 3 races. Ayan, kung 3-5 sa forecast, kung 3-2, 55, kung 2-3, 38, at pang ilang lemado na to. Kung sakaling 3, 144 sa 2.
Sa 3, 298. Sa 4, 72. 33 naman sa 5, 169 sa 6. Binigay natin yung pairing ng...
Babalikan natin mamaya yan. Kung sakaling 2 naman sa XD, 113.
Sa 3, 86. 50 sa 4. 25 sa 5, 133 sa 6.
At panoorin natin kaagad yung instant replay. Mamaya balikan natin yung pairing naman para sa numero 3, sa Daily Double. Viva Prime Channel po, naghatid sa atin ng imported category 3 race number 1.
And the replay, at ito yan, Santa Ana Park. Saksyon!
Patok!
All inside, ready to race. Away they go. Conquer the Sun, fast to begin, rushing up Magical Street. Also, there is Go Dodgers Go. Hoy! Tama na, running down on the inside. Schematic, bold showing. King Mancho, Jewel Eyes, while Perfect Choice is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Go Dodgers Go. Leads by a length, followed by Conquer the Sun. And racing into this, Hoy! Tama na. Racing in Port Magical Street. Then comes Bold Showing. Schematic racing in 6. Then comes entry number 4, Perfect Choice. King Manjo, while Jewel and Eyes is now running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. Go Dodgers Go. Then here comes Conquer the Sun. Bold Showing moving up now to take third. Then comes Magical Street. Hoy! Tama na. Racing in 5th. Rounding the far turn, Conquer the Sun is now the leader, followed by Bold Showing running down on the inside. Go Dodgers Go. Hoy! Tama na is racing in 5th. As they pass the last 400, Conquer the Sun leads by a length. Bold Showing is on the outside. Running down on the inside is Go Dodgers Go and Magical Street. And down the stretch they come. Bold Showing running down on the inside. Conquer the Sun is on the outside. Entering the last 52 and is fighting it up for the lead. And stop Bold Showing battle Conquer the Sun. And fun, it's going to be a close finish.